Have you ever participated in a conversation and asked about a sensitive detail, but quickly felt disrespectful to the privacy of the person in front of you? Or have you noticed him feeling embarrassed and trying to evade the question? In this case, you should know that the question should have been asked in a lighter, less awkward manner, and avoid coming across as pushy. Asking about something directly makes people feel anxious and stressed, even if the questions are appropriate. For example, if the husband returns home later than expected without notifying his wife, she may ask him about the reason for the delay directly, but the husband may make her understand that it is an accusatory question, and then he may respond with anger and impulsiveness. So what is the solution to this problem? When you cannot ask a question directly, you can use an alternative phrase in a provocative manner instead of asking the question, because it is a phrase that provokes the person and extracts information from him instead of obtaining it in the form of a question and answer. It is possible that the person is the type who does not prefer to answer questions. Certain topics, but it is preferable to talk about them naturally in the context of natural mutual conversation, which is what human psychology calls the art of deduction. What is the art of deduction? The art of deduction is a form of deduction and is directly related to human intelligence. This art is not limited to military intelligence professionals, but it is a set of skills that can be used personally in daily life. This art is very popular and many people want to learn it as an important skill, especially in the world of business, as it helps develop personality, enhance mental abilities, and is very useful in transactions of various kinds. This art is one of the distinctive skills that every individual needs to practice and use in order to maintain credibility and trust. So what exactly is the art of deduction? The art of deduction is rephrasing questions in the form of narrative statements that provoke the person to whom they are addressed in order to respond to them smoothly. If these questions are formulated incorrectly or in an inappropriate way, the other person will tend to express his agreement or disagreement with them, or he may tend to correct the incorrect information that was said. In both cases, people feel forced to correct incorrect information when they hear it, or to agree or disagree. On personal opinions, this is simply deductive intelligence known as the art of deduction. So instead of asking someone, "How much do you want to spend next year?" you can say, "I bet you will invest over $30,000 a year in different programs because you want to spend well on your self-development." If the sentence is correct, he will nod his head indicating that you agree with your opinion, and if it is incorrect, he will correct the information for you, keeping in mind that flattery may make him feel comfortable telling the truth. The secret to the success of the art of deduction. The reason behind the success of deduction is to exploit human psychology in communicating with people and obtaining the information you want to know easily. People usually like to be listened to in addition to the fact that flattery, a sense of importance, and correcting mistakes in others are things that greatly attract people. You should know that deduction helps you build a good relationship and creates a comfortable environment for you if you want to obtain information, and the other person you are inquiring from who does not know the intention of the sentence and believes that it is just information corrects it, and does not care that they are implicit questions, and then things will be better. There are reports that one of the intelligence officers received training in this skill. He shared his experience in statements he previously made, saying, "I was trained in deduction early in my career as an intelligence officer, and I used it when I conducted Camp Delta interrogations in Cuba shortly after the events of September 11th. Although I was trained in approach methods and questioning techniques in order to collect intelligence information, the art of deduction allowed me to obtain more information. It worked wonderfully for me after the detainees thought that I was having a conversation. It's normal with them, and I'm not looking to get information from them or question them. So they revealed more information to me about what they know." He continued, "I started using the deduction method from 2002 until now, and I tried it in many situations. It also helped me in analyzing requirements and communication opportunities. Deduction also helped me obtain real information, buy wisely, and sell competitively." Tips for getting real information. In order to ensure that you get the correct answer to any information you want to know, you can follow the following tips. Taking the speaker's side, Instead of disagreeing on something, you can pretend to agree with others' opinions or actions in order to ensure that they feel sympathy. And this is sometimes enough to facilitate the process of obtaining information. Beginning the dialogue by telling a story. You can share information that may be secret with others, or pretend that it is secret that no one knows, then move to the point you want to talk about and say incorrect information. In this case, the listener corrects the information, but attention must be paid to gaining sympathy and telling the story spontaneously, so that the listener does not get upset and the result is negative. Narrating a question in 3 different ways. If you doubt the veracity of the topic that the other person is narrating, you can ask him about certain details in order to confirm its veracity in different ways, as it is difficult to remember the same details if the story is incorrect. You should be careful when asking questions directly next time, as you can change the question to a provocative statement from which you extract important information instead of asking it directly. In this way, you can maintain your relationships, gain trust, and ensure that you feel comfortable during the conversation.